Bye, guys. Take care. Thank you.
All right, I'm at 1930 Wilshire. Is that with a T?
No,
All right.
H-I-R-E. Glen. You guys do new construction?
No.
All service work?
Yeah, mainly. It keeps me busy enough.
Sure.
All right, we're at 1930 Wilshire Glen. Going down in the sewer post repair. I think there's still something running inside, but I should be able to scope it with the water flowing. All right, after this turn is where we started having problems. Right down here, right after that, there's a 45. This is the port. This is where we repaired it. This is past the repair. There's a clean out in the yard. The one in front of the tree should be coming up on another clean out after the tree. We're in 6-inch pipe now. There's a turn and then straight down into the county main. So there's the county main right there. Right there. All better.